Question number 7. Which real-world situation is a model of 3 1/4 divided by 4? So I'm going to keep change and flip because I want you to see what the answer would be. So 3 over 1 times 4 over 1. So my answer is going to be 12. So Amber is conducting an experiment chemistry class. She has 3 liters of water. She uses 1/4 liter for her experiment. How much water does she have left? So it's basically saying she has this. She uses a half. She has 3. She uses 1/4 of that. Remember, I would take and 4/4 gets me 2 3/4 because it's asking how much does she have left, which is the subtraction piece. So it can't be A. Amber is conducting an experiment in biology class. She measures at 1/4 liter of water 3 times. What does the total amount of water that she is measuring at? It's physically telling me times. So it's 1/4 times 3. We know it's 3 over 1, which is equivalent to 3/4. So once again, that's still not the answer. Amber is conducting an experiment in physics class. She has 3 liters of water. How many times can she use the water to fill the 1/4 liter test tube? Well, she has 3 liters of water. How many times can she use to fill the 1/4 test tube? So each test tube, she would pour 1/4 in once, 2, so she would pour it in 4 times, that's 4. There's 8. That's 12. So that's possibly an answer because she's taking 3 and she's divided by 1/4. Keep change flip. Gets me 12. And let's look at the last one just to be on the same. Amber is conducting an experiment in her science class. She pours a total of 1/4 liter of water into 3 test tubes. So they each have the same amount. How much water is in each test tube? She pours 1/4 water into 3 test tubes. She's taking this 1/4 and dividing it by 3 so that each have the same amount. So I'm going to keep, change, and flip. And that's why they confused you here, because they're dividing by 3, because this is what she has originally started with. She's dividing by 3. So keep, change, and flip. You get 1/12. Therefore, your answer is C.